Decoding the Mystery, shall and should in English. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of modal verbs. Specifically, we're going to focus on understanding the difference between shall and should in terms of their formality and function. These two words can sometimes create confusion, but fear not, by the end of this video, you will gain clarity on how to use them effectively in your everyday English conversations. Let's start by defining these two modal verbs. Shall is primarily used with first-person pronouns, I and we, to form the future tense, while should is mostly used to give advice or express obligation or expectation. Here's an example of each. 1. I shall go to the park tomorrow, indicating future plans. 2. You should eat more fruits, giving advice. Now, when it comes to formality, shall is generally considered more formal and is often used in legal documents or formal written English. On the other hand, should is used more frequently in both formal and informal contexts. For example, the defendant shall appear in court on Monday. A more formal usage, you should wash your hands before meals. A common usage. When it comes to their function, shall is used to express future actions or intentions, while should is used to express duties, obligations, advice, or to show what is correct or beneficial. Let's see some examples. We shall start the project next week. Expressing future intentions. You should respect your elders. Expressing obligation. Also, it's worth noting that in question form, shall is used to make offers or suggestions, often with we. For instance, shall we go to the cinema tonight? So, there you have it. By understanding the formality and function of shall and should, you can improve your English language proficiency and avoid common mistakes. Remember, shall is more formal and is often used for future plans, while should is more common and is used to give advice or express obligation. Keep practicing these differences in your everyday English conversations. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful in making the usage of these modal verbs clearer. Keep learning, keep improving. See you in our next lesson.